Last time on Sailing Doodles, we had an amazing dolphin experience and saw some spectacular surfing. This time we explore Musket Cove and get our own private island. Follow along on our journey as we sail 15,000 miles halfway around the world all the way to Thailand in just 10 months. Our patrons get access to our live tracking device. Musket Cove had been one of our favorite stops so far in the journey, and actually we'd be returning in a few weeks. Although the place did bear some pretty unusual fruit.
What you waiting for? First day.
In hindsight, I probably should have brought a smaller camera. This is kind of awkward. So much for this drone. It had a good life, I guess. Now we need a new drone, a little drone. I'm not gonna buy another Spark. I'd like to buy like a Mavic Air or something. We still have the Phantom 4 Pro, but this one's like portable.
Rest in peace.
I had it in follow me mode and it's got sensors. It's supposed to see trees and stuff and buildings, and it didn't. Well, we had an awesome time in Musket Cove. Spent a couple nights there. We're hoping to go back. We want to go around here today. It's kind of cool. We heard that Survivor's about to start shooting, so we wanted to check out their island. Apparently it's right over here. We left Musket Cove, coming through here, up and around here, and literally that is the island.
Before heading to that island, we stopped off at a little sandbar for lunch and a few drinks. The girls took the paddle boards in, so we loaded up the dinghy.
It's pretty cool having their own little private sandbar. I think this is one of the Survivor islands. Like they do some kind of challenges out here, because that's the main survival island right over here. Here is to having our own personal private island.
Start over.
In the South Pacific. Cheers.
That wasn't sand.
Let's go over to Survivor Island and see how long it takes him to kick us off with this camera.
Are we swimming there?
We're part of the
You can.
crew.
It'd be a long way to go.
Well, are we gonna be survivors, or are we just gonna?
We are survivors. There it is. We're going.
The channel leading into the bay is narrow and shallow and only something I'd want to attempt in the daytime, but it is well marked.
So this is it. They filmed Survivor on the other side of the island. There's like an inhabited side and then a non-inhabited side. Obviously they have to do that. I mean, you can't do it on a completely deserted island, or just logistically getting all your stuff there to be extremely difficult. Like to do. We'll see how long it takes for us to say, hey, no filming. I mean, I can't blame them. I don't blame them, but like literally they said, no, this part of the island is off limits. There's no more reservations for guests only, whatever. That's just
How
code.
long will it take to get kicked off Survivor Island?
Not very long. We don't get kicked
An
off.
hour.
We just can't go to parts of it.
Down the beach, there was a couple backpacker resorts, so we headed there. And that's when some of the locals brought out the Kava.
I've got a ton of gravel in my shoe.
Kava is made from the powdered root of a local plant and has some interesting effects, mainly turning your face numb.
All right, there you go. One, then three.
I'll give it to my girlfriend.
Thank you for watching another episode of Sailing Doodles, and we'll see you next time.
I've been a real bad boy on the town all night.